Candidates, today I'm going to cover a relevant topic for all of you who are going in for flying branch. Okay. Now for the flying branch entry, okay, you all will be asked to undergo CPSS. Okay. So what is CPSS? Computerized Pilot Selection System. Okay. Initially, इसको हम लोग क्या बोलते थे? PABT. Commonly, very commonly, it is known as Pilot Aptitude Battery Test. Okay, but since 2015, Pilot Aptitude Battery Test को रीनेम कर दिया गया है CPSS, यानी कि Computerized Pilot Selection System. Okay, so this test is once in a lifetime test. Okay, and once in a lifetime test means if you pass this test once in your life, okay, so you have cleared it for your life. Okay, that means even if you don't get into the merit that time, subsequently when you will go for your flying entry test, you will not be asked to appear for your CPSS. You will be taken as CPSS qualified. Okay, but if you fail, then you have failed it for the time. Okay, then you cannot become a flyer in armed forces, although you may become it in civil aviation में आप जाके civil flying कर सकते हैं, but military flying के लिए you will be treated as unfit. Okay, so this is once in a lifetime test, and since it is once in a lifetime test, you should understand this test very clearly and prepare yourself, present yourself in the best possible manner so that you are able to clear it. Okay, so initially जैसे मैंने आपको बताया पायलट एप्टीट्यूड बैटरी टेस्ट होता था SSB में फॉर फ्लाइंग ब्रांच एंट्री, जिसको कि अब CPSS कर दिया गया है. Okay, this test will be conducted only and only by flyers in that SSB. Okay, so जो भी SSB में फ्लाइंग ब्रांच के ऑफिसर्स होंगे, okay, the pilots, they only will conduct this test. Okay, if you have gone to Army SSB for any reason, but your first choice is say Air Force. Okay, so after getting recommended from Army SSB, you will be sent to Air Force Selection Board for your conduct of CPSS. Okay, so pilot aptitude battery test आपको पता ही है. पहले this was, if you go in history, it was on a trial basis in 1948 से लेके 51 तक it was on a trial basis. Thereafter it came in vogue. Okay, and CPSS was being brought in. It was being commissioned. It was It was commissioned in 28 November 2014, and since 27th April 2015, it is in vogue in all the SSBs. Okay, so now what is CPSS all about? Okay, CPSS में दो टाइप के टेस्ट कंडक्ट होते हैं. Okay, फर्स्ट टेस्ट को कहते हैं कॉग्निटिव टेस्ट. Okay, कॉग्निटिव एबिलिटी टेस्ट में टोटल देयर विल बी 6 टेस्ट. Okay, and the total number of questions will be 212 questions, which you will have to answer. Okay, these will be multiple choice questions, and somewhere there will be fill in the blanks also. Maybe, okay, but mostly it is multiple MCQ types of questions online, which you will be doing it on the computer screen. Okay, the total duration of cognitive ability test is 2 hours 30 minutes. Okay, so for 2 hours 30 minutes, you have to continuously be sitting in the testing hall, in the CPSS hall, and you will be undergoing the test. Okay. Thereafter, those people who pass in cognitive ability test are progress to psychomotor test. Okay, in the psychomotor test, there will be 10 tests. Okay, checking your psychomotor capabilities. Okay, and for each test you will be given 4 attempts. So there will be total of 40 attempts which will be given to you, and out of those 4, the best of your attempt is taken for your consideration. Okay, so the first filter for the flying branch entry people is, of course, phase 1 वो पास किया, phase 2 में आए, phase 2 पास किया, recommend हुए, उसके बाद you will be undergoing CPSS. CPSS का स्टार्ट जब होगा तो फर्स्ट टेस्ट विल बी कॉग्निटिव एबिलिटीज टेस्ट. कॉग्निटिव एबिलिटी टेस्ट आपने पास किया तो जो बच्चे फेल हो जाएंगे उनको यहाँ पे भी हटा दिया जाएगा, और जो बच्चे पास होंगे दे विल गो इनटू साइकोमोटर टेस्ट, एंड फाइनली जब आप साइकोमोटर टेस्ट भी क्वालिफाई कर लेंगे तब आप मिलिट्री एविएशन के लिए फिट पाए जाएंगे. दैट मीन्स then you will be clear to fly an aeroplane in military services, be it in army or be it in navy or be it in air force. Okay. So total मैंने बताया आपको cognitive abilities टेस्ट में कितने टेस्ट होंगे आपके 6 टेस्ट होंगे. Now 6 टेस्ट में 212 questions, that means 212 questions. Total time 2 hours 30 minutes. And in psychomotor test 10 tests, each test having 4 attempts. Total 40 attempts, total time will be 1 hour 30 minutes. Okay, so this CPSS test is a full day activity, almost a full day activity. Okay, now in a brief, in a nutshell, I cannot go through the entire selection CPSS system right now. So in brief मैं आपको बता दूंगा कि क्या क्या होता है, and in subsequent lectures, if you all are very keen to know about it, you may mail it to me or get into me personally. I will give you the information. Okay. So in brief, cognitive test में होता क्या क्या है? Okay. Cognitive test में जैसे मैंने आपको बताया 6 टेस्ट होते हैं. There are 6 tests. Okay. Which all are these tests? First one is INSPI 1. Second one is INSPI 2. Third is spatial ability. Fourth is spatial visualization. Fifth is numerical reasoning. And sixth is your reasoning test. Okay. तो ये 6 टेस्ट होते हैं आपके कॉग्निटिव एबिलिटी टेस्ट. ओके. INSPI 1 में होते हैं आपके 15 क्वेश्चंस. ओके, 15 क्वेश्चंस. टाइम गिवन इज 10 मिनट्स. 15 क्वेश्चंस 10 मिनट्स. INSPI 2 में देयर विल बी 60 क्वेश्चंस. टाइम गिवन विल बी 20 मिनट्स. ओके. Every test will have different times, different number of questions. So you have to prepare yourself for that. Okay. INSPI 1 15 questions 10 minutes. INSPI 2 60 questions 20 minutes. Spatial ability 30 questions 15 minutes. Okay. Spatial visualization 57 questions 5 minutes only. Very fast you have to do that. Okay. 57 questions 5 minutes only. And numerical reasoning will be 20 questions with 20 minutes, and reasoning will be 30 questions in 15 minutes. Okay. So if you add it up, the total time duration will be how much? 2 hours 30 minutes. 2.5 घंटे का टेस्ट होगा आपका cognitive ability test. Okay. So after your cognitive ability test gets over, it's all computerized. Immediately within 15 minutes or 10 minutes, the results will be compiled. You all will be made to stand outside the examination hall, and the result will be announced. Now, first filtration of CPSS takes place here. Those who pass the cognitive ability test, these are the boys or girls who will be going in for their psychomotor test. Okay. Now, पहले हम ये बात कर लेते हैं कि cognitive ability test में what are the abilities which are being measured. Okay, you should be knowing it so that you prepare accordingly for that. Okay. अभी मैंने आपको नंबर ऑफ क्वेश्चंस और टाइम ड्यूरेशन बता दिया, बट नाउ विच एबिलिटीज आर बीइंग चेक्ड आउट इन योर कॉग्निटिव एबिलिटी टेस्ट. ओके. सो INSPI 1 will be dealing with different scales. Okay. The 6 basic flying scales, instruments which are there: altimeter, artificial horizon, airspeed indicator, climb and descent, rate of turn, okay, turn and slip indicator. All these 6 basic instruments will be briefed to you, and thereafter INSPI 1 will have questions regarding the reading of scales, dials and meters. Right? INSPI 2 will be determining the position of an airplane in flight from these instruments. Okay, so the instruments will be made. It will be showing instrument maybe having an artificial horizon which will be showing a climb. Okay, your turn and slip indicator may be showing a turn to the right. Okay, so accordingly you will have to find out what is the position of the aeroplane, whether it's climbing and turning left. Okay, climbing and turning turning left, climbing and turning right. Okay, descending. Okay, descending with a left turn, descending with a right turn. What is the position of the aeroplane based on the instruments which have been shown there? Okay. Thereafter, the third test will be your spatial ability test. In the spatial ability test, you will have to perceive 2D and 3D figures in space. Okay, and you have to give answers accordingly. Okay, it's all about perception of 2-dimensional or 3-dimensional figures in space. Okay, in your spatial visualization, It is perceiving the position of an object in the space. How will the object appear to you in a space? Okay. In numerical reasoning test, it will be dealing with numbers and it will be basically checking out your mathematical skills. Okay. And the reasoning ability test you all have appeared in your OIR also. So it will be the test having verbal and non-verbal reasoning questions. Okay. So these are the 6 tests which you will be checked for in your cognitive ability test. Okay. Now we come to psychomotor test. Okay. As I told you, psychomotor test will be the final test for your becoming a pilot in armed forces. Okay. So in this test, you will be made to sit in a cockpit. Okay. It will be a mock cockpit which will be there and you will be made to sit as if you are flying an aeroplane. Okay. And in that, there will be a screen placed in front of you where the questions will appear. Okay. Okay, so the 10 tests which are there for your psychomotor test will be: first one, sensory motor test; second one, control velocity test; third one is dual task test; fourth one, dot estimation test; fifth one, speed anticipation test; sixth one, pursuit tracking; seventh, memory recall; eighth, color naming; ninth, vigilance; and one test which I forgot was size anticipation test. Okay, so these are the 10 tests which will be there in your psychomotor test. I will repeat it once again: sensory motor, control velocity, dual task, dot estimation, speed anticipation, size anticipation, pursuit tracking, memory recall, color naming, and vigilance test. So these are the 10 tests which will be there over a period of 1 hour 30 minutes, which you will get for these 4 attempts per test. Okay, and the best of the 4 attempts will be considered for your grading. Okay, and depending upon your total performance of cognitive as well as your psychomotor, you will be graded in grade 1, 2 or 3. Right. So these are the tests which will be there for your CPSS. Now for detailed information, I will be covering these tests in the subsequent lecture. Okay, in the subsequent lectures, I will tell you in brief as to what all goes on in sensory motor, in control velocity, in size anticipation, and speed anticipation, and all these tests. Okay, so that you will have an idea as to what all is going to come in front of you. That surprise factor which is there will get slightly reduced. However, your performance will be your capabilities. Okay, right, candidates, all the best, do well. Thank you.